Today I've brought to share with you all my childhood memory, my mom's recipe, bread rolls. These crispy and delicious bread rolls are so good that if you haven't tried or heard about them, you don't even know what you are missing out. Hey guys, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. If you are watching this video, please don't leave without subscribing to the channel as I keep bringing lip-smacking vegan and vegetarian recipes just for you. Let's start off. I've taken 4 small-sized boiled potatoes. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per the size of your potatoes. Peel them and grate them. So basically you need to mash these potatoes. So however you feel comfortable, you can mash them. Like I find it easier in grating the potatoes, but you can use potato masher, a fork, whatever. Make sure there are no small pieces of potatoes left in the mash. Now add a teaspoon of chopped green chilies or Thai pepper. Then chop handful of cilantro or coriander leaves and add into it. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon cumin seeds, and of course some salt as per your taste. Mix everything together. Well, I'll recommend you to use your hands for that proper and even mixing. So guys, I'm using Indian spices, but you can absolutely use whatever spices you are fond of. Like you can add some rosemary, thyme, basil, cayenne pepper. In fact, some dill leaves will also give amazing flavor to this. So just mix it and keep it aside. Now here I've taken 4 slices of plain bread. You can take any bread slices available. Chop off the sides of the bread slices, but don't discard them. Guys, I've seen in so many recipes, people just take out the sides of the bread and simply discard them. I mean, how could you do that? That's actually the most nicely baked part of the bread. That's not the residue or something that needs to be discarded. Look, I'm going to use these sides. Simply cut it twice, then chop it finely in a manual chopper or a food processor if your quantity is big. Then simply add these crumbs to the stuffing mixture. You can also make breadcrumbs and store it with you. Now mix these breadcrumbs nicely into the stuffing mixture. Do it in a way you knead the dough. That way everything will be mixed properly. Alright, so our stuffing is all set. Now take a slice of bread and pour 4 to 5 teaspoons of water over it on both the sides, especially at the sides and the corners. So basically we need to make the bread slice all damp and soggy. So look, the bread slice is almost completely drenched with water. This is how it is supposed to be. Now take a small portion of the stuffing mixture, make a ball out of it, in just a bit of an oval shape, and place it in the center of the bread slice. Then secure and cover it from all the sides of the bread. Now just to let you know, some of the recipes of bread rolls also call for mashing the bread slices along with the potato mash. But that way your bread rolls will not be as crispy and flavorful as this one. So do try this recipe for sure. If there is any leakage or the stuffing is peeping out from somewhere, just take the extra portion of the bread from somewhere and secure the leakage. See, like this. Then make nice and smooth oval or round shape out of it. See, this is how you need to do. Similarly, I've made all the rolls. Now take some oil in a deep pan, and once it is hot, start frying all the rolls until crispy golden brown. Your flame should be at medium to high temperature. Well, you can also bake these rolls, but I will not because bread rolls are really nostalgic for me and I would like to keep it the way I used to enjoy it during my school days. But of course, you guys can absolutely go ahead and bake it. One more thing, if possible, take a small and deep pan for deep frying small things like this. Like I am using my tempering or tadka pan. This way, in just small quantity of oil, your vessel will be full, and since we should not reuse hot oil, so eventually less wastage would be there. Alright, so see, this is how you need to fry all the rolls. This dark brownish or golden color ensures super crispy and yummy bread rolls. If you will not fry them until this color and take out in lighter color, they would not be as crispy as these ones. So just try this bread rolls recipe and let me know in the comments box how you find it. If you like my recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't leave at any cost without subscribing to Dash of Delight. See you next time. This is Soumya signing off. Take care. Bye bye.